Have your ears been feeling blocked recently? Maybe sounds seem muffled or your hearing aids aren't as effective as before. At First Hythe, professional microsuction earwax removal is helping patients improve hearing clarity safely and effectively. One reason for increased blockages is our modern technology. Frequent use of earbuds and hearing aids can lead to compacted wax. While earwax is important for trapping dirt and bacteria, excessive buildup creates blockages that affect your hearing and comfort. Professional microsuction is the gold standard. It uses gentle suction and specialist visual equipment, allowing for precise removal. It's far safer than DIY methods like cotton buds, which experts warn can push wax deeper and increase the risk of injury. Many patients report immediate improvement. Sounds become clearer straight away and blocked sensations disappear. Visit First Hythe today. Professional microsuction can restore your hearing clarity and improve your everyday life.